as per the MPI report, 24.82 crore Indians have escaped multidimensional poverty in the last 9 years. There has been a steep decline in poverty headcount ratio from 29.17% in 2013-2014 to 11.28% in 2022-2023. All the 12 MPI indicators have shown significant signs of improvement. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and MP have recorded largest decline in the number of MPI poor between 2013 to 2014 and 2022 to 23. And the poorer states recorded a faster decline in poverty, indicating reduction in disparities. Clearly, of course, these are good developments coming in. Clearly, schemes of the government like Poshan Abhiyan and Anemia Mukt Bharat have significantly enhanced access to healthcare facilities as well. Sujata Dwivedi is joining us for more details on this story. Sujata, this is certainly a good news coming in for India.
Yes, and we see that as per the figures that were laid out by a research study where it stated that in the last 9 years, and talking about the multidimensional figures that have come out where more than, the millions of people have come out of poverty, and also at the same time showing the growth index that India has been raising the bars and the standards since so long. And also Prime Minister's comment on the same came out where he stated that this is a good news for India and also for Indians, where India's graph in terms of poverty, the bars have gone down, and also Indians have emerged for themselves. And also Prime Minister talked about encouraging people to work on themselves and also
stay with
for
us.
the
In fact, Sharad Kohli, economist, also joins us now live. Sharad Kohli, what do you make of these numbers?
Very encouraging, I must say. We had in the last 5 years, the numbers before, where 13.5 crore Indians had come out. Remember some time ago, and I had discussed this on your channel itself. And I think this number reaching close to 25 crore is a big achievement because our country was accused of not being able to eliminate poverty. And what is very important that has happened is that the definition of poverty has changed. I mean, you're not poor just because you've got a very low bank balance. I mean, somebody with 5 lakhs can be poor, and somebody with 5,000 can be very content. I think the magical thing with DT Aayog has done is to redefine the definition of poverty, and which is multidimensional poverty index. And MPI basically means that you are measured on 3 scales: living standards, health, education. So somebody who's got nutrition, somebody who has a house, somebody who's got a toilet, somebody who's got access to medical facilities, somebody who's got access to good education, is still not poor, even though the bank balance may not be as much as probably which was the definition was earlier. We remember there was a Tendulkar committee, which said 27 rupees a day and this and that. I think this new definition of poverty is very holistic. It's very inclusive and very realistic as well. So I think this is very good news especially for the critics in the West who run agendas and propagandas against the country, that this is a country of poor, this is a country of snake charmers and so and so. I think this is a slap on their face. And, seeing is believing. You need to go to the ground level. I've been talking to a lot of people over the last few months, people who actually benefited from this multidimensional poverty alleviation, I would say. And they say, yes, we've got a house, we've got a toilet, we have nutrition, we've got access to medical through Ayushman Bharat, we've got education. We've got so many things in life which add to your living standard, as well as improve your health and so on and so forth. So I think very encouraging news, and every Indian should be proud, and very good news for the government just before the elections, that this government has really worked for people, which is showing up in numbers today.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.